Hello?
Hey, is this the owner of?
Yeah.
Perfect. It's Andre. I thought I'd give you guys a quick call and ask if you're using any social media for your business.
For why?
The reason I ask you that is because, I'm currently 15. I'm in school, and I noticed there's a lot of businesses in this area that don't really seem to be using social media to its full potential. I was kind of thinking that I could manage your social media accounts 10 days for free to see kind of how you like it.
No, 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 no. I don't need it.
Can I ask you why though?
Bye.
She said bye. All right.